how to change Instagram region or country on Instagram. Hi everyone, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to change Instagram region or country on Instagram. So let's begin right away. So unfortunately, Instagram still doesn't have a direct option in which you can change the region or country. But what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. Before we proceed, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, you just simply open your Instagram and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're here, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and click on Settings. Once you're here, simply go to Account and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Switch Account Type. So once you click on Switch Account Type, make sure to click on Switch to Business Account. So again, click on Switch to Business Account because this account option has the address option. So once you have switched to business account, you may now go back to your profile right here and then click on edit profile. So wait for it to load, and then once it is done loading, you may scroll down and look for contact options right here. So simply click on contact options and type in the address that you want. So under the business address, click on it, type in your street address, your city or town, and then the zip code. Once you have done that, you just simply click on save, and then that's it. That's how you can change Instagram region or country. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.